With multiple design revisions, ensuring all the files required for manufacturing are accurate and up-to-date can be difficult. If the wrong version is sent to manufacturing and produced, it can result in wasted time, scrapped boards, and additional costs. This how-to will provide step-by-step instructions on how to export a manufacturing package in OrCAD X by automatically generating and zipping all the required documentation to guarantee error-free file submission and accurate first-pass manufacturing success. First, let's configure the manufacturing export. Select Manufacturing Export to Manufacturing from the menu. The export window opens, allowing you to configure the settings and files required for the manufacturing packages. Select the checkmark for Fabrication IPC 2581 to deselect the export. Select the box next to Fabrication Gerber to select the option for export. Select the box next to Fabrication Drill Views to include the drill views in the artwork. Under the checkboxes, the other files included in the export are listed. Select the minus sign to remove the file for export. Select IPC D356 netlist from the list of included files in the Fabrication Gerber output. View the configurable settings for the IPC D356 netlist and add any required information, such as board title, identification number, and revision. These settings will change based on the documentation selected. Scroll down in the export window and select the box next to PCB Design Report and LiveDoc Fabrication and Assembly documentation to include these in the export. Next, let's add a new package for export. In the blank text box, add IPC 2581 and click the plus sign. IPC 2581 Database Fabrication is listed as an option to include in the export. Select the plus sign. IPC 2581 Database Assembly is now listed as an option to include in the export. Select the plus sign. Select the box to create archive. This will zip each export defined individually. Then select Export. A status bar displays the progress of the export. When the export is finished, browse to the location of the board file. The export has been completed successfully and all documentation has been generated and packaged with a single click. Quickly generate and package all the required manufacturing documentation for your PCBs, using Export to Manufacturing to save time and minimize errors with OrCAD X Presto.